After the EM user, the firefighter user uses the EM access to capture the logs, right? Our background job needs to be scheduled to sync the EM logs, okay, from the plugin systems. So to schedule that job, go to SPRO, transaction SPRO, reference IMG, and oh, we are in plugin system, not in plugin system. You need to do this in GRC system. Okay, so go to SPRO, reference IMG, governance, risk and compliance, so access control, and then synchronization jobs, right? So under the synchronization jobs node, you have an option called firefighter log sync. So let's see if there is any documentation and what does the documentation say. So in this customizing activity, you can get the logs of firefighter activities from the backend system and store them in the GRAC repository. Okay, so that's what this job does. The synchronization data gets the data for firefighter activities from the time the activity was last executed to the current time. Okay, so you have to run this job and the data is stored in these tables. GRAC audit log, which is your security audit log. This is your change log. This is your OSS command logs. And this is your system log. Okay, so these are the 4 tables where the data is stored. Okay. So these are the 5 tables. So let's go back. And now execute this job. Okay. Now you can execute this as a background job. Okay. So put the connector in from where you want to capture the data, and then you can schedule as a background job. And this background job could be scheduled as on a daily basis or on an hourly basis, depending on what your policies are, what your requirements are. Okay, so right now we're going to schedule this in the background, sorry, in the foreground. Now, another good practice is that if you schedule a background job, any of these jobs, since any of these synchronization jobs that you have, any of these jobs, if you want to schedule as a background job, create a batch ID, okay? So that, the batch ID never gets locked. So the batch ID, has to be of communication type or system type. So schedule this with a batch ID. Do not schedule it with your own ID. Anyway, so let's go back and execute with the connector and then execute. Okay. So depending on how much data needs to be captured, it will take time. So action, you get the message action usage successfully executed. Let's continue. Firefighter log collection is completed. So it says it completed all the logs, right? Now let's go back. And now let us check whether we'll run the reports and see whether the data has been actually captured or not. Okay. So this is what you do from a configuration standpoint so far. Okay. Right from setting it up to scheduling and capturing the logs, the firefighter logs. After all of this thing is done, then the controllers and owners of whoever it is, then they go to NWBC and then generate the log reports. Let's see how to do that now. But before we do that, okay, when we schedule this job, right, what is the program name for this? Let's check that program name also quickly. So the program name for firefighter log sync is GRAC _ SPM _ log _ sync. Okay, so you can schedule this from SE38 also. If you know the program name, you can run it from SE38 or SE38 also. So the program name is grac_spm_log_sync. Okay, so like I said, depending on your policy, you schedule it as a hourly basis on a daily basis. Okay, the frequency that I'm talking about. So my recommendation is to schedule it per hour on hourly basis. All right. So now next we are going to see how we generate or run these reports, the EM log reports.